Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the ZND to USDC on Zondacrypto. And there's a particular reason why we are looking at this chart. But let's start from the beginning. A recent swing high was established at the level of 0.50, so half of the dollar for a token, not a problem. Here, let's just mark it so we know that it's visible. Technical resistance, swing high, there you go. Then we got the bearish engulfing pattern here, and the lows of this slight consolidation were very close to this technical support of this market. So this is the 0.3965. So that was the technical support. As you can see, one day, it was exactly yesterday, this support was violated. So right now it is obviously a resistance, so it's red. And the new low was made today at the level of 0.35. And the 0.35 is the recent consolidation high, which is why it will act as the technical support. So you can see here, this is the consolidation, this is the consolidation high, breakout candle, even above the last swing high, confirmation, extension to the upside. So classical free candle pattern on the market: breakout, confirmation, extension towards 0.50. And now what the market does is movement to the downside to test the first support, failed, and the second support, which looks quite successful because the market is being bought back up, right? The dips are being bought. The 0.35 breakout level has been tested, and now the market might be ready to move higher, right? Let's just zoom in a little bit. There you go. A little bit of the zoom in will show us very interesting behavior if we add some kind of an indicator. Our first indicator will be RSI, obviously RSI. The RSI is showing us deteriorating momentum, basically, right? The recent low was 57 points. Nevertheless, it's still quite strong and positive momentum. So the bulls are still in charge of this market. So what we do is that we are going to place a trend line on the momentum indicator, right? Because this is the, let me just zoom out a little bit. There we go. This is the swing high, right? This is the previous swing high, the newest one, and it's obvious that there is a bearish divergence between those swings and the RSI behavior. And during this dip, we didn't even go towards the 50 level, right? So the neutral level. We are just here sitting on the 57 points, and the market is already trying to move higher. Dips are being bought. We will see what will happen here. So another trend line will be placed here. Maybe something like this is quite good. All right, so as you can see, it got 1 point here, second support point here, not too bad at all whatsoever. Now our scenario is still bullish, right? The bullish because we are looking for trend continuation, right? We are looking for the trend continuation. The trend is up. We treated this movement to the downside as a pullback or even a little bit deeper correction. The pullback is to the first support, so maybe okay, a deeper correction to the second support, right? Why? Because market wanted to test this breakout, after this consolidation to see whether there are buyers here or not, right? If there are buyers, most likely this level will be bought back up like it is right now, because we got long lower shadow here. This is daily candle, hasn't been closed yet. We need to wait few more hours for it to close. But if it will close like this, then the chances to test the trend line and break increases. The same situation is here. The chances that the momentum will go up above the level of 70, test this trend line and go up even to a spike higher, like here or here, are increasing as well. In case of a bearish scenario, that means a breakout below 0.35, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in next few days, I don't know yet. But in case of a breakout, the next target would be somewhere around this level here, which is 0.28, somewhere around this area here. And now, in that situation, it would mean that we will extend our downside movement. Let me just take the price range. More than today is minus 30% already. But in that situation, it means that we will extend our movement to the downside roughly around minus 42, minus 44, 45%, which is quite significant correction. Minus 30 is a correction, it's not a pullback in terms of the percentage as well. So we can clearly say that the pullback was done. Now it's correction in progress. Possibly the correction is completed, and we can see soon breakout above the trend line, breakout above the technical resistance, and the trend resumption. That's the positive scenario for the ZND to USDC on Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. Please leave a comment, leave a subscribe to this channel, leave a like button, click on the like button if you like this video. I hope we will see what the scenario, how the scenario will play in the future. I guess it's by the end of this week, or maybe early next week. But I guess that it's only Wednesday, so maybe the next few days will be good enough for the market to make up its mind and see whether this scenario had a chance of the probability. So thank you very much for watching this analysis. I hope I will see you guys again. Take care and bye bye.